Due to crop blight and natural disasters on Earth, mankind is at risk of extinction. A few brave pioneers have volunteered to explore habitable planets in space to ensure humanity's survival. In their journey, they're traveling in Endurance, a spacecraft that generates artificial gravity to alleviate the effects of microgravity. However, near Gargantua, a black hole, there have been some malfunctions in Endurance, resulting in a deviated gravity. To repair the spacecraft, the burglars must overcome two further challenges. For the first puzzle, burglars must create a magnetic gear system such that the rotor rotational directions are opposite to that of the previous stage to create the perfect artificial gravity setup. Burglars must choose 6 components out of the 4 magnetic rotors and 8 metallic stators, each with different number of magnetic pole pairs, and arrange them in such a way that the magnetic rotors alternate in directions.
Now that the artificial gravity array has been created, all that's left to be done is to amplify the signal. For the second puzzle, burglars are provided with 7 electronic parts, including 1 operational amplifier piece and 6 resistors with varying resistances. They will have to arrange these parts on the homemade breadboard such that the output voltage is maximized. Once the circuit has been constructed and a high enough voltage is provided to the circuit, the final light will turn on, and hopefully, humanity will find a new home.